In today's video, I will be sharing with you what is in my bridal makeup kit. Now, if you don't know, recently I got married, and before that I had made a whole lot of efforts to make my makeup kit for my wedding and for my post-marriage rituals as well. And in today's video, I will be sharing with you all those products that I bought. Most of them are affordable and they are very easy and simple products. I have not complicated my makeup kit because I didn't want it to be very extra and super luxurious, because for a middle class people it is not feasible to have a lot of luxurious products, but something that is affordable and budget friendly. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rhea, and in today's video, as you know, I will be sharing with you what is in my bridal makeup kit. So this is the makeup kit that I purchased from Amazon. It's a beautiful pink that I love, and it has a good handle so I can carry it around everywhere. It's a very good quality bag, and then it has two zips here. This is how you open it. It opens from both the sides. And once you open, I love how the compartments in this vanity can be kept according to you or adjusted according to you. Your space, you make it. So it's kind of like that, and this is how the vanity is. So now first let's talk about the products that I have. First things first, I have a makeup remover, because obviously as a bride you will have a lot of makeup on your face all the time, and I tried to have a good micellar water with me, which is oil based, because this will help you get rid of all the waterproof makeup as well. So I have the Garnier Micellar cleansing water and oil all-in-one cleanser. So with this, again, you will need cotton pads, so I have them also with me. I've kept them with me handy so that I can use it wherever I go, and it's mess free. Cotton also can be used, but I think these pads are more travel friendly. Yeah. So the next product that I have is the Prep and Fix Blue Heavens Primer and Setting Mist. Now this works as a primer as well and as a setting spray as well on your makeup. So because it's a 2-in-1 product and it's a really great product, I've heard a lot of influencers suggest this, and I myself have used one bottle and this is my second one, so I went for this one. Next we need a foundation, and a good affordable foundation is what I wanted, because I don't use foundation on a daily basis, but just because I was a bride, I had to look beautiful, I had to look glammed up, dolled up all the time. That is the reason I invested, and I went for a very minimal foundation, which is too good. The Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Perfect Cover Foundation. It's too good. I got my perfect shade, and my shade is W120 Warm Creme. This was the perfect shade that I needed. It's just perfect for my skin, and it's again very affordable as well. Now because there's a foundation, you definitely need a makeup blender. So this is from Bronson that I ordered from Nykaa. Next I have is a bindi packet, because obviously once you're married, when you're wearing a sari and everything, you do need these, because as an Indian you know it well. Then I have this perfume from Zudio, the Salsa. It's very affordable, I think for 80 rupees, and it smells heaven, and during summers you definitely need one. Next product I have is the Sugar Compact Powder in the shade 10 Latte. This has SPF 15 and it's a mattifying compact. This you need in summers, because now also you can see if you sweat a little bit, you know what it looks like. So that is when this comes handy. You can just dab this powder on your skin and you're good to go. Next I have few earbuds. Now you may think ye kyun chahiye. Now this is something that can be very useful to remove your eyelashes, the glue that you've put for your lashes, then your mascara, then your kajal. Everything can be removed with this very easily, and mess free it will be, because they are very thin, so you know they go to the corners of your eyes to get rid of all the makeup. Then I have a sharpener. This helps to sharpen both thin and fat pencils, some of my lipstick crayons, and some of my kajal and all of that. Then I have also dissolving cleansing balm by the brand Quench. Now why I have this is because sometimes as a bride, makeup might not come out easily and you might feel very panicked what to do now. So in such cases you can use the cleansing balm. It's very good product to melt down very hard makeup which doesn't come off easily, and that is the reason I've kept the Chotu tub in my makeup vanity. Next is a contour kit. Now I have the Sugar one. This is the one that I have. It is the 01 Subtle Cement. These shades go well on my skin tone. For fair skin tone, this is perfect. Now just having this one palette is enough, because at least for me, I don't wear excess makeup. Like very light makeup is what I love. So that is the reason I went for this. Next is a lot of things to discuss. I even have a primer cream with me. In case if I want to use this, I use this because it was summers, so you know, using a cream actually helps. So sometimes to just blur my pores, I use this product. Next I have this Sugar Mousse Mask Proof Lip Cream in the shade 04 Water Lilies. It's a beautiful orangey red shade, great for married women. Then I have a eyeliner by the brand Pop matte eyeliner in black color. Then I have the mascara by Sugar Double Date Extreme Volume Mascara Duo Blackjack. Now this has fur in one side and the other side has mascara. The fur helps you give volume to your lashes. Then I have the Blue Heaven Brow Perfect Eyebrow Enhancer. Again, this helps you to fill your eyebrows and make them look fuller. Looks really beautiful. Then I have another lip shade by Mama Earth Hydra Matte Crayon Transfer Proof Lipstick in the shade 07 Raspberry. It's a beautiful maroonish red. Then I have a blue kajal by Plum Nature Studio. This is in the shade Gemstone Green. It's a beautiful shade. Then I have obviously a black kajal again by Plum. I love the Plum kajals. That is the reason I use this. You might notice I'm sweating a lot. The reason is because I have the fan off and I don't have an AC. So that is the reason I'm sweating. And then I have one more brow pencil in the shade Top Tom. This is the Sugar's Arc Arrival Brow Definer. It's a very old one, but I really love it, so I have kept it with me. And the very last thing, very important for all the Hindu married ladies, it is the Sindoor stick. This is by the brand Amber, and it's a Sindoor stick and you can just sharpen it and use it. Very, very mess free, I would say. Then I have even more lipsticks, so let's talk about that. So one more shade that I have by Mama Earth Hydra Matte Crayon Transfer Proof Lipstick is 03 Berry Red. It's a very dark maroon. Then I have my daily wear kind of 13 Rose Drop Nothing Else Matter Long Wear Lipstick by Sugar. It's a beautiful nudish pink shade that you can wear every day. Then I have a correcting cream by Quench Mon Cherry Dark Spot Correcting Cream. It conceals dark spots and pigmentation. That is the reason I carry this, because obviously you do get dark circles at this time. And then next I have the Mama Earth Hydra Matte Crayon Transfer Proof Lipstick in the shade 0 Cafe Latte Nude. Beautiful nude shade. Then I have the Sugar Blue Mascara. This is the Bold Unfold Waterproof Mascara in the shade 02 Stars Sapphire. It's a blue mascara. It looks really gorgeous. Then I have the Swiss Beauty Mattifying Makeup Primer. This is the sample that I got. I just kept it handy because it's a silicone based primer. Then I have this glittery eyeshadow by Swiss Beauty. You all might know about it. I just kept this with me, you know, just in case. And yeah, I'm sweating. And then I have this very last and my favorite. You can see the size, it's just getting over. I love this. The Sugar Mattazal Crayon in the shade 05 Rose Dawson. So this was the products that I had. Now I do have few makeup brushes with me. Very few makeup brushes. One is the Blend Trend Foundation Brush, Kabuki Brush by Sugar. This helps to blend the foundation, obviously. Then I have again Sugar brush for my eyeshadow. One side is flat and one side is a round brush. Then I have a brush for, this is a normal Amazon brush that I use to apply blush and do the contour, as you can see. And then I have a thin brush to just, you know, sharpen my brows sometimes. And the very last product that I have in the zip that I had on the top is the eyeshadow palette. Now this is a gift from my brother. This is by Morphe 18 Shaded Natural Wonder. It's a beautiful neutral colored eyeshadow palette and I really like it. My brother gifted me as he had gone to Canada and he was coming back, so he just got me this and I really love it. Perfect, and all the shades possible that you need for a beautiful natural neutral look. You can also use the dark shade to, you know, fill in your brows, and then there are glittery shades as well. Just my favorite eyeshadow palette, and the mirror is also huge, so I can use it to do my makeup as well. That is the reason I pushed this eyeshadow palette in my bridal vanity kit. Now I'll leave all the links to the products in the description box. You can go check them out. I'll also add in some products products that are more affordable, and especially the eyeshadow palettes. There are more affordable eyeshadow palettes that I've used, and they're best to have them in your bridal vanity. So I'll be adding them too in the links below. Do check them out. And yeah, that's all for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye guys.